Hi, Randall here. I'm a high-performance stock market trainer and strategist with the Stewart Edge. I show do-it-yourself novice investors how to generate more consistent returns in the stock market. Many of you have heard about the 80-20 principle set out by the economist Vilfredo Pareto back in the 19th century. His law could be summarized as 80% of your results come from 20% of the effort and time you put in. What can we take away from the Pareto principle that allow you to tap into that 20% of your endeavors, producing 80% of the returns? Let's start by looking at the difference between being time efficient and effective with your time. So without further ado, let's explore how you can better manage your tasks and time and start generating more consistent returns from your investment opportunities. Being time efficient versus time effective. Being efficient means that you're able to do tasks, whether important or not, in an economical manner. For example, you could be a great researcher, super organized and capable of processing tons of information in a short period of time. Doing something trivial or unimportant well does not make it important. What you do is much more important than how well you do it. Efficiency is only important when applied to tasks that make you more effective. On the other hand, being effective means that you are doing things that bring you closer to realizing your goals that much sooner. You are moving closer to developing your winning edge in the markets, whereby you are able to move into and out of the markets effortlessly with a high degree of confidence and success. Let's compare these two concepts with a couple of examples. As a do-it-yourself stock investor, you could be very efficient in reading 50 investment books. You may have trained yourself to read 600 words a minute, allowing you to breeze through these books in a mere 6 months. However, by investing in an educational program that you can work through over the course of a weekend and that summarizes the key concepts contained in the 50 books, you have adopted an approach that is much more effective. Which approach do you think will get you closer to your dreams faster? When you look at how you develop your financial IQ, keep the two concepts of being time effective versus efficient in the back of your mind. Could an educational program or seminar provide you with the skills and wisdom to move you closer to realizing your dreams faster, despite costing a little more upfront? How much time could you be saving by investing in your financial education? Here's another example to think about. You may be a wizard at mouse manipulation on your computer screen, moving from one website and screenshot to another faster than a speeding bullet. You may be doing this constantly throughout the day with the intention of quickly checking on stock prices and trying to assess potential buy or sell opportunities. You've become a master of stock chart efficiency. On the flip side of the coin is the effective investor who knows that there are certain times of the day and week that statistically show lower levels of stock price volatility, such as an hour or so after the opening bell and after the lunch hour. Rather than spend an inordinate amount of time flipping from one computer screen to another throughout the day, you could get into the habit of checking for opportunities only a couple of times during the course of your day or even week. Eliminating non-productive time wasters that have been added to your never-ending list of tasks on your to-do list is the goal. Once again, we want to try and accomplish more by doing less. Pareto's 80-20 principle applied to the stock market in general terms could be seen as 80% of all stock market gains are realized by 20% of the investors. Unfortunately, the vast majority of these investors are professionals who are able to use the power of layering strategies such as options to protect positions, create additional streams of income, or purchase stock holdings at a discount. Wouldn't you want to be among the 20% of investors who can consistently turn a profit from your holdings? When you look for opportunities that focus on being more effective as opposed to time efficient, you are now applying the 80-20 principle at another level. Being 20% more effective at what you do could translate into arriving at your desired goals in 80% less time. When you stop and think of how you could complete a task based on being more effective, you begin to see a rapid increase in your results and goals achieved. This is why a simple thing like batching your email correspondence or taking a personal development seminar all point you in the right direction of being able to achieve your desired lifestyle that much sooner. These simple changes as to how you go about doing things save you time, money, and frustration over the long haul. It is this shortcut mentality approach whereby you are looking for ways to do things more effectively that is going to accelerate your wealth building potential. I hope that you're able to pick up at least one stock investment tip that'll get you closer to realizing your financial dreams. Should you like to learn more as a do-it-yourself investor, please visit us at stockinvestingsimplified.com. Until the next time, to your ongoing success as a do-it-yourself investor.